Hello everyone. Welcome to our Fountain of Flavors cooking channel. Today we're making an incredibly delicious chicken eggplant moussaka. It's a light, flavorful dish that's perfect for family dinners. First, we prepare the eggplants. We peel them in stripes and cut them into cubes. To remove the bitterness, we soak the eggplants in salted water for 15 minutes. We grate one large carrot. We finely chop 2 cloves of garlic. Next, we dice 1 large onion into small cubes. Before putting it in the oven, we grate 400 grams of mozzarella cheese to sprinkle on top. We cut 400 grams of chicken breast into small pieces. Before assembling the dish, we pre-cook the eggplants. You can either fry them in a pan or bake them in the oven. Now we prepare the chicken filling. Tell us in the comments where you're watching from. We'd love to know. Subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications for more delicious recipes. Place half of the pre-cooked eggplants into the baking dish and pour the chicken filling over them. Then add the remaining eggplants on top and sprinkle the grated mozzarella cheese over it. Then bake in a preheated oven at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes until the top is golden brown. Enjoy your meal.